Okay, so we're going to take a break from throwing mud. We are going to take a break from bathroom renovations. I mean, don't get me wrong, you know I love home renovations. I'm slowly taking it room by room. The primary bath had all white cabinets. I remodeled it, stripped the paint, and now the bathroom looks like this. I'm completely in love with it. But we need to tackle the closet, guys. The closet is a hot mess. Oh my gosh, look at all this dust. I mean, I do have someone come and clean, but of course they're not going to get all this stuff. What spawned me to want to do my closet makeover, sorry about that, was this super cute Abercrombie jacket. My closet go to trash. So I think what we're going to do, we're going to reimagine this whole area, because I don't really have a lot of SLGs anymore. I don't really have a lot of luxury sunglasses and scarves, so I don't need dedicated spots for them. Like, look at this, guys. This is a hot mess. What is even going on right here? So let's fix all this. Oh my God. This is for like PRP, which can go in my health area. Oh my gosh, look at all this dust. I mean, I do have someone come and clean, but of course they're not going to get all this stuff. I found lipo foam. So funny. Alright, so I'm not sure I even need another shelf. Like, I could put some bags right here, you know, like that. Little original face to my Rolex. So I mean, I do need to keep certain boxes, but I have like so many Chanel boxes, and it's like, am I really going to resell my things? Guys, that's a stupid question. Of course I'm gonna resell my things, and if I do I need to have the box? I'm not sure, but I definitely don't need to have any boxes on display. We have 2 designer scarves left. Okay, so the closet is done to the best of my ability. I know it doesn't look much different, but what I did was I moved like some things that I never used to the top. I moved all my perfumes here because I felt like looking at my perfumes gives me more joy right now than looking like at like a Hermes belt or something like that. So I just moved my designer belts there and just have, I didn't organize the clothes by color or season because we're like in a transitional period right now where it's going into fall, but still kind of hot, but then cold at night. So anyhow, that's what I did. And then I moved this piece, this like random dresser there. These are my bags for like when I go on vacation. I'm about to go somewhere this weekend, so I have that. And just did a little cleanup. Mostly it's just this little section. Kind of streamlined it. Yeah, and moved the perfume here. And actually I got rid of a lot of clothes too. So just a quick reset, refresh for the upcoming season. But you know what, guys? My husband didn't even do his side. We'll just focus on mine.